Finding your passion can feel like an overwhelming task, but it's a journey worth taking. Passion drives us, gives us purpose, and can turn ordinary lives into extraordinary ones. If you're struggling to discover what truly excites you, here's a step-by-step guide to help you find your passion. 1. Reflect on what you enjoy. The first step in finding your passion is to take a close look at your interests. Think about the activities that make you lose track of time, the subjects you love to learn about, or the hobbies that bring you joy. Write them down. Don't filter your thoughts, whether it's cooking, coding, or gardening. List anything that sparks a little excitement in you. This exercise will help you identify patterns in what you enjoy. 2. Consider your strengths. Sometimes your passion is closely linked to what you're good at. Reflect on your strengths. What skills do you have that others admire? What tasks come naturally to you? When you align your passions with your strengths, you're more likely to find fulfillment and success in those areas. 3. Explore new activities. If you're unsure about what you're passionate about, it's important to step out of your comfort zone and try new things. Take a class, volunteer, or pick up a new hobby. Exposure to different experiences can help you discover hidden interests and talents that you may not have realized you had. Don't be afraid to experiment. Passions can sometimes be found in unexpected places. 4. Pay attention to what inspires you. Inspiration is often a clue to your passions. Think about the people you admire, the books or movies that move you, or the causes that stir something within you. What themes or ideas consistently catch your attention? These inspirations can guide you toward your true passions. 5. Reflect on your life goals. Your long-term goals can also reveal your passions. Consider what kind of life you want to lead and what achievements would make you proud. What do you want to be remembered for? Aligning your goals with your passions can provide a sense of direction and purpose in your life. 6. Identify the causes that matter to you. Passion often comes from a desire to make a difference. Think about the issues or causes that you feel strongly about. Whether it's environmental conservation, social justice, or animal welfare, finding a cause that resonates with you can be a powerful way to discover your passion. 7. Talk to others. Sometimes talking to friends, family, or mentors can provide insights into your passions. They might notice strengths or interests that you overlook. Engaging in conversations with others who are passionate about what they do can also be inspiring and help you clarify your own passions. 8. Embrace your curiosity. Curiosity is a gateway to passion. Follow your curiosity wherever it leads you. Read books, watch documentaries, or attend events on topics that pique your interest. When you allow yourself to explore without judgment or expectation, you open up the possibility of discovering something you're passionate about. 9. Be patient and persistent. Finding your passion is a process that takes time. Don't rush it or feel pressured to find it immediately. Be patient with yourself and stay persistent. Your passion might not reveal itself overnight, but with time and exploration, it will become clearer. 10. Take action. Once you've identified a potential passion, take action. Start small. Devote time to it regularly and see how it fits into your life. The more you engage with your passion, the stronger it will grow. Remember, passion isn't just about what excites you. It's about what you're willing to work for, even when it's challenging. Finding your passion can transform your life, giving you a sense of purpose and fulfillment. So take that first step, explore, and let your passion guide you to a life that excites and inspires you. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more content that helps you live your best life. Thanks for watching.